What's in the name? Well, quite a lot if you're the Iranx Group, which has recently formed two of its subsidiaries, CNI and Bioceray, under a new name, Nexira. Now, I'm Shane Starling from Nutri-Ingredients here at FIE in Paris, and I'm very pleased to be joined by Olivier Houalla, who is the Vice President, Executive Vice President indeed, of the new group Nexira. Now, why the name change, Olivier?
Yeah, it's a new name. Nexira, as you have noticed, is the reverse of Iranx, but we were thinking it was a very nice and beautiful name, which means the next era or the next generation of ingredients for the food and nutraceutical industry. Yeah.
Okay, so you've gone with this new name, Nexira, but CNI and Bioceray are both quite well-established brands themselves. Did you feel any risk at all in getting rid of those?
Yes, they were well established, but in the meantime, it was becoming, an agglomeration of different brands, different companies, Bioceray, CNI, NutriProcess, Iranx. It was difficult, I think, for the customer to understand who we were. So we decided to merge all the names, all the companies under the same umbrella, under the same name, which will become now Nexira. Of course, we will still have some division or business units. The food division dedicated to the food ingredients, the health division dedicated to the ingredients for the dietary supplement or food supplement industry. But we'll have the same name for everybody.
So were there a lot of overlapping portfolios between the two companies?
Not really overlapping, but I think in that case the goal is more to put in common the R&D and to gain a power in innovation and launches of new products. That's really the main goal of the merge of these two companies. Yes.
Now you're a French-based company. Is there much change in facilities and staffing?
No, the facilities will remain the same. We have three facilities in France. We have several facilities in Africa, Northern Africa, for the cactus extract and the olive extracts, or also in Chad and Sudan for the acacia gum. All of this will remain the same.
So here we are at FIE in Paris. Will you be launching some new ingredients under the Nexira brand for the first time?
Yeah, we will launch two products, one for the health division and one for the food division. The main launch for the food division will be a new product called Fiber Gum Crystal Pure, which is a revolution in the world of acacia fiber. Acacia fiber is a beautiful natural fiber, and in that case we managed to get a very transparent fiber, which was not the case before of the acacia gum, and it's with no chemical processing yet, with nothing. It's really a natural gum, and that will be the new launch in the world of the soluble fiber. And for the health division, we will launch olive extract, which under the brand name Houalla. And this olive extract will take benefit of the new EFSA claim as regards the olive oil.
So it's good to have an EFSA claim in a sense like that. Helps your marketing?
Yes, it's very good, and it's very fortunate because we have been working for a long time on the olive extract with our Tunisian partner. They are organic olives, and we were working on extract, and the EFSA claim I think it's a good point.
It's quite useful.
Yeah, it's
but one
useful.
of your Neopontia cactus extract had a rejected claim. How do you play with in that field where you have a rejection to deal with?
Neopontia had a rejected claim. I think we were the first claim to be rejected. I think was the first batch, and so it was a bad surprise at that time. But since that time, I think we are not the only one. Many claims have been rejected, and to be honest, it has not really affected the business. It slowed the business just after the rejection for a couple of months, but then it's back to normal.
How do you market the ingredient when you haven't got the official claim to use?
We still have a strong scientific file, strong clinical studies, which are showing effects of the efficiency of the product, and that's how we market the product.
Okay.
That means that a claim is useful, but maybe it's not always completely necessary to sell a product.
Great, thank you very much. Shane Starling for Nutri-Ingredients at FIE in Paris.